káàbọ̀ sí ìgbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ayélujára tí òní. Welcome to today's online class. Àkórí ẹ̀kọ́ tòní ni ìgbàgbọ́ Yorùbá nípa ìyè lẹ́yìn ikú. We'll be looking at Yoruba belief on life after death. Is there life after death? Let's go into the lecture to see more and to hear more. Ìgbàgbọ́ ìfarahàn nínú àṣà àti ẹ̀sìn, that is, this belief shows in culture and in religion. So we'll be looking at Ìsọmọlórúkọ, the naming ceremony, Ìsìnkú, the burial ceremony, and Àkúdàáyá. That is a rare special case I'll be explaining in today's lesson. Ìsọmọlórúkọ, naming ceremony. How does it portray that there is life after death? Bí bàbá tàbí ìyá èèyàn bá kú, wọ́n gbàgbọ́ wípé ọmọ tí wọ́n bá bí sí àsìkò yẹn ó máa ní bàbá tàbí ìyá tó kú yẹn. That is, when a father or a mother dies in a certain family, any child that is born after the death of the deceased, any child that is born, is believed that it is that person that dies that is back. And this reflects by the name given to such child. Be it a male child or a female child, you hear names like Babajide, that is, father has come. Babatunde, Baba is here. Yetunde, the same meaning. Iyabo, Yewande, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Another one is Ìsìnkú. As you can see in the picture, you can see the well-dressed man, the well-dressed woman, the flowers and every other thing surrounding it. Ìsìnkú fi hàn pé ìrìn àjò ni òkú ń lọ. That is, the deceased is going for a journey. So they are going to bath and dress the deceased, and then they will put some things in the coffin that they believe that the deceased will use, like money. Even if it is a king, they will add a slave. Do you understand? Now let's say Àkúdàáyá. Be patient to listen. Wọ́n gbàgbọ́ wípé ẹni tí ó bá kú ikú àìtọ́jọ́ ó máa lọ sí ìlú ibòmíràn láti fẹ́yàwó àbí láti bímọ ní ibẹ̀. That is, they believe that when someone dies in a certain environment, that person is, and the person is not, it's not time for the person to die. The person will go to another area to settle there, even marry there and have kids there. And this kind of people, they are believed to be Àkúdàáyá. And there are ways you can stop them, because if these people, they notice that someone that know that they are dead one place, when they see these people, they are going to disappear. How do we stop them from disappearing? The first thing is, when you see them and you know that this person is an Àkúdàáyá, you pour sand on the person will not disappear again. Or you hit the person's chest 3 times, the person won't disappear again. Or you get a knife to slice the person's wrist for a blood to drop. Once the blood drops, the person will not disappear again. That is it for today's lesson. Very enjoyable. If you have more questions, you can send it to me. I'll definitely answer. Your assessments for today is dárúkọ àwọn ohun tó fi hàn pé ìyè wà lẹ́yìn ikú. Mention those things that shows that there is life after death.